guys, Toy Hero Laura here, and today I have a brand new Baby Alive to show you guys. I got the Ready for School baby, and I thought she'd be perfect since you guys are going back to school. This baby doll, guys, is so cute. Look, she has bright green eyes, and look at her little dress. It has owls on it and stuff for school, like pencils and books. So adorable. And it looks like she comes with a little book and a hairbrush. And this Baby Alive has curly hair, just like my Molly Baby Alive. She is so adorable. So here's the side of the box, guys. This is the Ready for School Baby Alive in blonde with pigtails. She is super cute too. And then on this side of the box, it just shows all the different ways you can play with her. So here's a little girl with her in her backpack. And then here she is reading her little school book. And then down here, this little girl's just hugging her. So cute. And then on the back of the box, it shows the Baby Alive that we got, which is the one with the brown curly hair. Oh my gosh, guys, she is so cute. When I saw this Baby Alive, guys, I just had to get her, since most of you are on your way back to school, and I just thought she would be such a cute addition to our stories for Baby Alive. So let's open her up and see what's inside. Okay, guys, here she is out of the box. She is so adorable. Look, she comes with a little book and a hairbrush, and the little book has an owl on it, and it says 1, 2, 3. And then on the inside, it's got like little lines where she can write in it, and some books and an apple. So adorable. And then she comes with this little hairbrush, because she does have like curly hair. It's kind of like crimped curly, but it's super cute. So guys, she looks a lot like Lily to me, you know, Super Snackin' Lily. She has really pretty green eyes. Aren't those pretty? And then look at her dress. Her dress is really adorable. It's got like a little chevron print at the top, and then it's got this super adorable school print on the bottom with little owls, and the whole dress is like really shiny. So she's ready for school, baby, which means she's potty trained. So she actually comes with little undies on. So she's got like see, they've got like little hearts on them and stuff. So she doesn't have a diaper because she's potty trained. Guys, she's just a super adorable Baby Alive. I really like her. Here, I'm going to show you her hair now. They've got it in like a little ponytail up there, and then the back is like super curly. Isn't that cute? She is such an adorable Baby Alive. So guys, I haven't decided what her name's going to be yet, but to me she looks like a Brooklyn, and so many of my subscribers have said they wanted a Baby Alive named Brooklyn. I just feel like this is the Baby Alive that should be named Brooklyn, and her nickname could be Brookie Cookie. Isn't that adorable? So this maybe could be Brooklyn. What do you guys think? Hi, I'm the newest Baby Alive to the Toy Heroes channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in future episodes. Bye!